Dad,
Hmm.
are you a communist?
I am.
Is that against the law?
It is not.
The lady with the big hat said you were a dangerous radical. Are you?
Radical, maybe. Dangerous only to men who fleeing cokes. I love our country, and it's a good government. But anything good could be better, don't you think?
Is Mom a communist?
No.
Am I?
Well, why don't we give you the official test? Mom makes your favorite lunch.
Ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. And at school, you see someone with no lunch at all. What do?
Share.
Share. Well, you don't tell them to just go get a job.
No.
Oh, you offer them a loan at 6%. Oh, that's very clever.
Dad.
Ah, then you just ignore them.
No.